Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so lazy to edit, so you're gonna get this very raw, unedited version of me just talking and getting ready because I have to go out in half an hour. So let's get to it. It's really weird not editing a video because you can make yourself seem funny in editing, but here we are. So I'm gonna start off with sunscreen slash moisturizer just cause. Tell me what you guys have been up to. I've just been working and watching a lot of true crime videos and podcasts. I found this YouTuber called Bailey Sarian, and she makes a lot of very interesting stuff. It's like true crime slash makeup, so it's very, very cool. Next, we're gonna use this palette from Sugar. It has blush, highlighter, and bronzer, and it's my go-to for everything. We'll start with blush. I don't like using base because I don't like it when there's a lot of stuff on my face. But I like using blush because I like being pink, and I'm only pink whenever I work out because I'm dark. This gives a very fresh look to your face, I think. Also, I do not have a mirror right now, so I'm just doing it on my phone. Bear with me. What to talk about? I'm turning 25 this year. Do you guys think about how many things you haven't done in your life? I do that all the time. I'm also gonna use the bronzer because I like it when it gives me a little warmer tones on my face. Oops. Maybe I should move away from the sunlight. Fuck it. A little bit here. It's the same brush. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Can you see it? Because I'm looking at myself on the phone. Second. Okay, so I think this lighting is a little better because you can see my face a little bit. Let's get to the bronzer. You see it? And a little bit on my jawline because I've gotten fat. I put on 4 kgs in November because of the wedding season. My wedding, second cousin's wedding is still remaining. Not my second cousin, my first cousin, but the second wedding in my family this year. I'm so lazy, I can't even edit right now. It takes a lot of time, so you're just gonna get what you're gonna get. This is what I usually do to my face along with some gloss, but I'm going out, so I'm gonna be using these palettes for eyeshadow. This bitch is broke, so I got this at a local drugstore and I really like it. Surprisingly, it's very, very nice. And comment down below what kind of content you'd like to see from me because I'm a little spent content wise. Just been getting through life. So we're going to be using this as base just all over my eye. I do not have a mirror, so I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna make it work because I'm nothing if not scrappy, and I'm nothing if not making random things work for me. Okay, I think that looks, I already look kind of cute, I think. Then we're gonna be using this light brown in the crease because why not? You guys will think I'm freaking crazy because this is the face people make when they do makeup, okay? This is gonna be, I think, a 15-minute video. My makeup routine is pretty quick. I don't like dallying. I don't like too many things on my face. I sure as hell don't have time to get ready every morning. So this. And what else? Did you guys follow my new art page? It's called Art for Gypsies. I'll link it down below along with Food for Gypsies. I try posting twice a week on there, one for my artwork and one for my poems. And you guys enjoy the poetry that I do. That's the consensus I've gotten. I got this brush on Amazon. It's so cute. Okay, so I think that looks decent. And we're gonna be using this dark brown towards the edge of my eye and in the inner corner a little bit. Just, I honestly cannot see what I'm doing, but yeah, it's gonna have to work. My friends are not makeup artists either, so we're gonna do what we're gonna do. Okay, so I've been living in Mumbai for the past month and a half because my friend is here from the US and I wanted to spend some time with him and all my Mumbai friends. Since it's work from home, it's been pretty easy. Yeah, so it's been around 2 months since I've been here, and I think I'm gonna stay here up until Aisha's birthday. You might see Aisha in my future videos. We've been wanting to make a dance video forever. And yeah, so Feb 12th, I'll go back to Bangalore. Hopefully, I'm getting kinda homesick here, even though my entire family is here and I'm loving spending time with them. So this is how my eyes look, and then I'm going to use this glitter thing, this one maybe, because I really love this glitter part, and I just put it on my finger. It's so pigmented, and I just put it in the center on my eyelid. Okay, I think it looks pretty decent, but I'm gonna put it a little bit. Yeah, ooh, I think it looks really nice. Can you guys see? Yeah, baby. Okay. So my friend who's here from the US is going tomorrow and we're having a little party for that. I'll try to make this video as short as possible because this is literally my routine. But yeah, when I get back to Bangalore, I have quite a few videos planned. In Mumbai, it's just that I'm spending so much time with my friends and family that I don't have time to edit. Also, I've been a little bit lazy to edit, so what ifs. And when I have too much time, I feel like I'm not doing enough. That's the reason I started YouTube as well, because I had a lot of time and I felt like I'm not doing enough with my life, and that really gets to me. I'm gonna put this liner kajal pencil. Okay. Okay. I'm putting it on my, I'm literally looking at myself on my phone. I'll redo it a little bit after this video is done, but I think that's good enough. So you just pull your eye out and put the liner on there. I can put liner without seeing and in my sleep. I think it works. For now, I'll touch it up a little when I have a mirror, which is inside. All the rooms are occupied right now. So, and I don't want to disturb anyone because I'm talking a lot into the camera. A little mascara. I love mascara. I have this little tube from H&M which I bought in the US and it's almost over. So any person in the US, if you could send me one, I'll pay you. It's for $10. I think it's so cheap. Proper drugstore brand. But yeah, mark myself. Okay, so look at my eyelashes. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? I don't know if you can see, but yeah, pretty cute. Okay. So my friend told me that he's gonna introduce me to some person today. I don't know why I'm telling you all that. He was like, dress cute, so I said okay. I don't really meet many people that Okay, I'm not gonna divulge my love life on my YouTube just yet. But I have a lot of videos planned for that. So my best friends are planning on setting me up on blind dates. So if you'd be interested to seeing that experience, let me know down below. So that's all for mascara. Next, highlight. I love highlight so much. It looks so cute when it's on your nose and on the bridge of your nose. Okay, and can you see that? This palette is a lifesaver. It's all I need whenever I go out of town. I carry very few things with me because when you're a backpacker, you learn how to carry few things, make it work. Usually, even if you just have a single lipstick, you can do your entire face. So if you'd want to see something like that, let me know. This is shining right now. Okay, I'll just leave my hair like this only, or maybe do middle parting, because when it's curly, it looks good without anything. If I comb it out, it's going to be a mess. And for the final touch, lipstick always brings it together. So I have this from Faces Canada. I bought it here. It's just named Faces Canada, and it's my favorite nude lipstick that I have ever purchased. There's very little left. But since my eyes are so shiny, I'm just doing this. Yeah. So I'll go change into my outfit and I'll show you the entire look. Stay tuned. So this is the final look, you guys. I mean, if you can see my eyes, I couldn't see a thing because of the sunlight. But if this is the look, it's insane. Like, I'm loving it. Literally, this is so cute. And you can wear this every day if you don't want the fancy eyes. And it's so easy within 15 minutes too. I thought it'll take 15 minutes, but it's been 12 minutes 14 seconds of me talking and doing my makeup. And I touched up my eyeliner off camera because you can't do eyeliner if you just have to look into the phone. But I still did it, so I'm very, very proud. And this is my outfit. I might change my top. I don't know. My hair's gonna be like this, a mess. Kind of gives the hot mess kind of effect. I don't know. I never do my hair if it's curly. If you comb your hair when it's curly, all my curly girls out there know what I'm talking about. But this is the outfit. It's so cute. And I hope you enjoyed all the candidness from me, and whatever kind of content you want to see, let me know down below. I need to rush because my friends are waiting for me, and I'll see you bitches later. Ooh, I forgot. That says Nikita Nair 96, okay. Tada, 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 tada. Bye! You guys, I have no freaking idea what I was talking about on the video, so don't take me at face value. For this particular video, it was very unplanned. And this is how I look right now. And a little bit of editing is fine, so enjoy the montage of pictures coming up next. Also, I have never ever done my eyebrows in my life because I feel like it'll ruin the innocence of the face, and I still look 18 while I'm 24. So that's why my look took such less time. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed me ranting, and I'll see you bitches later.